Voiceover. Welcome to Ad Networks Uncovered, the digital advertising ecosystem. In this video, we're going to unravel the complex web that connects advertisers, publishers, and consumers in the digital advertising industry. We'll explain each concept in detail using simple, easy-to-understand examples. Whether you're a website owner, an app developer, a content creator, or just someone curious about how the digital advertising ecosystem works, this video is for you. So let's dive in and get started. Have you ever been curious about how websites and apps generate revenue through advertisements? Allow me to simplify this complex process for you today. The entire scenario revolves around what is termed as ad networks. But let's break it down. What exactly is an ad network? An ad network is akin to a digital marketplace. Imagine a bustling farmer's market. Instead of fresh produce, you have advertising spaces up for grabs. The traders in this market are on one side and publishers on the other. Now, who are these advertisers and publishers? Advertisers can be any businesses or brands that want to promote their products or services. They could be a local bakery wanting to advertise their fresh pastries, or an international fashion brand promoting their newest clothing line. On the other side of this marketplace, we have the publishers. They can be website owners, app developers, or content creators. They're like the owners of the billboards on the highway or the commercial slots on your television, but in the digital world. They provide the space for the advertisers to showcase their goods. The ad network or our marketplace makes all of this trading possible. It simplifies the process of buying and selling advertising space, turning those annoying pop-up ads you see on your favorite website or app into a consistent stream of revenue. So, next time a pop-up ad interrupts your game or article, know that it's part of a much larger digital marketplace, keeping your favorite content free and accessible. Firstly, let's delve into the concept of ad networks. They are known for their diverse advertisers, meaning they work with a variety of people and organizations. Let's take an example. Consider a shopping mall filled with different stores. Here, the mall represents the ad network, and each store represents a different advertiser. The advertisers can be anyone from large and small businesses to advertising agencies and even individuals. Now, imagine a small local bakery, a multinational retail chain, and a freelance graphic designer becoming store owners. The businesses, agencies, and individuals we talked about. What makes ad networks remarkable is this diversity. It's as if you have access to multiple stores in one mall, each offering different products. Similarly, with ad networks, you get access to a variety of ad campaigns. Could be anything from promotional campaigns for a summer sale at the retail chain to an introduction of a new cake flavor at the bakery, or special graphic design services offered by the freelance designer. Finally, let's look into the consequent multiple revenue sources. Picture yourself as the mall owner. You earn rent from each store, right? So, the more the number of stores, the more is your income. In the same way, the more the number of ad campaigns you can run on your platform, the more revenue you generate. Thus, by working with a variety of players and providing access to various ad campaigns, ad networks act as a one-stop shop for advertisers and offer multiple channels for revenue generation. Secondly, one of the advantages of ad networks is the variety of ad formats they offer. Let's break that down. Display ads, for example, are the banners you see at the top, bottom, or sides of a web page. Think of those billboards you see while driving down the highway, but in a digital format. Then we have video ads. These are like mini commercials inserted into a user's digital experience. Imagine you are watching a YouTube video and suddenly an ad for a new smartphone pops up. That's a video ad right there. Finally, there are native ads. These are designed to blend in with the content of the platform where they appear, making them less intrusive. An easy example would be sponsored posts in your Facebook or Instagram feed that look, feel, and behave just like regular posts. In a nutshell, this variety of formats offered by ad networks allows publishers to choose the ones that best complement their content and resonate with their audience. Thirdly, ad networks function based on a revenue-sharing model. To simplify, let's imagine the ad network as a bustling marketplace. The publishers are like the shop owners who have space for displaying products. In this case, advertisements. Whenever an ad is showcased on their platform, they earn a portion of the revenue produced from that ad, much like a shop owner earning a commission on products sold from his shop. However, it's crucial to understand that the exact blueprint of this revenue sharing can differ from one ad network to another. For instance, one ad network might function like a cooperative supermarket, where each shop owner gets an equal share of the total revenue. Conversely, another ad network might operate more like a competitive mall, where the shop owner's share of revenue is based on how much their individual ads bring in. This variability is what makes the world of ad networks both complex and fascinating. Finally, ad networks truly shine in the area of audience targeting. To illustrate, imagine an archer aiming his arrow precisely at the bullseye. This is what ad networks do. They use advanced techniques, akin to the high-precision equipment in our example, to showcase ads that are specifically relevant to a publisher's audience. Consider this. If you're a sports enthusiast who frequently visits sports-related websites, ad networks make sure you see ads about the latest sports gear, upcoming matches, or gym memberships, rather than unrelated ads about gourmet cooking. This high relevance increases the likelihood of you engaging with the advertisement or even clicking through to learn more, thus enhancing the effectiveness of the advertisements. In essence, ad networks amplify the impact of advertisements by connecting the right audience to the right product, similar to a successful matchmaker. The better the match, the higher the engagement and click-through rates, ultimately making the advertisements more compelling and rewarding. Google AdSense, a prevalent and commonly used ad network, is our central focus. It's a program that Google operates, permitting website owners and content creators to monetize their online content. Here's an example to make it easier to comprehend. Let's say you're a blogger who writes about gardening. Google AdSense would allow you to display ads related to gardening tools or plants on your blog, thereby providing an income source for you. But how does this extend to different platforms? Take YouTube channels, for instance. Say you're a video content creator who makes DIY crafting videos. Google AdSense would enable you to show ads for crafting supplies or related products before, during, or after your video. This way, you're monetizing your content by displaying ads relevant to your audience, thereby generating revenue. In summary, whether you're a blogger or a YouTube content creator, Google AdSense is a widely preferred choice for ad monetization, creating a symbiotic relationship between creators, advertisers, and viewers. As we've discussed, Google AdSense is a popular choice for ad monetization, but it's certainly not the only option out there. In this scene, we will explore some alternatives to Google AdSense that could be a better fit for your specific needs. Voiceover. While Google AdSense might be the most well-known ad network, there are several other options that are worth considering. For instance, Media.net, run by Yahoo and Bing, offers competitive rates and high-quality ads. Another option is Amazon's affiliate program, which can be particularly lucrative for those with a large product-oriented audience. Other alternatives include Infolinks, Adstera, and Propeller Ads, each with its own unique features and advantages. Remember, the best ad network for you depends on your specific circumstances and goals. So don't be afraid to explore your options and find the one that best suits your needs. So, to sum up, ad networks with their diverse advertisers, multiple ad formats, revenue sharing models, and audience targeting serve as the backbone of online advertising. They connect advertisers with publishers, facilitate the buying and selling of ad space, and ultimately help turn those ubiquitous online ads into a source of income. So the next time you see an ad on a website or app, remember, there's a whole network operating behind the scenes, making it all possible.